In this video, it is explained how to create copies from a journal entry. First, there is only one line in the header of the GL journal window. In this line, there are many accounts for the entry. Here, we can see how to set a sum. The result will be seen at the end of the process. Select the line and click the Create Deferred Plan button. Here, the user will choose the expense plan type, the number of copies required for the entry, and the corresponding period to start from. The day will always be the last day of the month. We'll have the corresponding copies of the entries according to the indicated copy number. As an example, we can enter a copied entry and we will see that the lines and the amounts are the same as the original ones. With this process, the entry is completed.